52. We all have dreams. We all have goals. But what are you willing to do? What are you willing to sacrifice to get there? You see, in Matthew chapter 9, verse 17, Jesus tells us, new wine requires new wineskin. Simply put, any life is possible. It just requires a deeper lifestyle. You see, wealthy people don't sleep in late. People in shape usually work out. People that are intelligent often read books. Those who know their Bible are often the people who read their Bibles. Those who pray have set times and dates that they pray. Any life you're looking for is possible. It just requires a lifestyle conducive for it. Quite possibly the wine you've been searching for, the person you want to become, the thing you are trying to reach but just can't grab, is waiting on you to have a deeper lifestyle. Thank you, Group 52. God bless you. Chase the deeper life in Jesus and have the best week of your life.